quiz generator is perfect for when teachers want to do a quick formative check. So when they just taught a lesson about whatever they're teaching and maybe they don't have an exit ticket prepared, or they kind of changed how they had to teach their lesson and they want to just create a quiz right there on the fly, this is a really easy option to do that. They can come in, they can either make their own questions and answers, or they can come in here and do the AI generated quiz, and they can select how many questions they want, what they want it to be about. They can be as specific as they want. That's kind of your best practice with AI, is you get your output is only as good as your input. So being able to be specific about what they want here. And then they have a quick quiz right there on the board that students can participate from their devices. And it's a great way for a quick formative assessment.